This is Doc Mountain, but I welcome you to my channel. If you open Satoshi app, you will notice that there is a notice that you have to update the app. So what you need to do is you click it, and after you update it, this is what you're gonna see. Quite complex, right? So what you need to do is I had already started this process, but I didn't finish. So if you had an account already, what you need to do is you will need to log back in. So click me there, check everything. If it's your first time, you will need to punch in all these details. Start with your country, user verification. Obviously you do the first verifications, then change your nickname and change the password and asset password, your email. But what I'm gonna do is I will log in with the first credentials that I used when I was creating an account. The reason why I'm gonna do that is I don't want to lose whatever I've waited for, the OEX tokens that I already have, the OG tokens that I already have, CTO. I'm just waiting to harvest that which I sowed. So what I would do is I will click sign in. So here, all I will need to do is to punch in the email address by which I created this account. And then I'm gonna punch in the very password that I created in the first place. If it's your first time, you have to go by sign up now. So let me punch in the details and then see what to follow next. Okay, so my credentials have worked and I'm in. So if I want, I can log out. I can now choose my country, then user verification there. So what I will do is I will click airdrop. Everything is pretty new here and looks different. Look at. Okay, so check in daily to maximize your rewards. I need to click claim here. Then AKA as well. These projects are still running. Click claim. Okay, so this is a new interface and it looks quite awesome and confusing at the same time. Quite confusing. So let's click earn. Okay, so they're looking at the hash power. Let's click there. Okay. So they're saying build battle team. They're saying join an airdrop project. Refer 3 friends. This has already been claimed. Join airdrop. Okay. So these are airdrops that are running. There are those that have ended already. Glyph, Colland, beautiful. We did all these and there are those which are still running. Then OEX is here. 8.78. OpenX revolutionizing. Test coin, I missed this one. Okay, so these are the projects which are active. Okay, so here you can choose the country, right? You can also do user verification. So if we go by choosing the country, it's already there. These were set up right from the beginning. User verification, this has already been verified. It was done the day I was actually creating an account. So if they say boost your hash power, what would happen? Yeah, so they're saying this is coming soon. Everything looks pretty new here. Everything looks pretty new. If you haven't seen the other videos on how to exchange hash cards, how to accept gift cards and how to initiate gift cards, you should check out the playlist that I'm gonna link to this video in the description section. Just in case you're unable to hover around and just look at the description section, look for the title of this video Then at the bottom right of the title, you'll see dots. Just click them and you see the details about the video. That's where you're going to find the link for the for the playlist, so that you happen to be acquainted, just in case you're new to Satoshi and you know nothing and you'd want to begin to mine different projects that happen to be introduced here on. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because pretty soon I'll be rolling out videos on how to claim most of the tokens that we have mined so far. Oh, before I go, let me show you something. If you want to trace the tokens that you've been mining, what you do is you click those 3 horizontal lines in the top right, and you see all these: my wallet, team, quest, announcements. So you can click wallet and you'll see all the tokens that you've been mining and those that you've mined so far. So aka I have 6.99, Haven 19.99, CTO, the tokens are frozen, they're about to be withdrawn. We initiated the withdrawal. And then we also have OG there, we have Coland 0.99, then OEX, that's 836, and then Ethereum 00 core at 9. Okay, so if you have to withdraw when that time comes, you can simply click here, withdraw. So they're saying Coland withdraw is not available, but when the right time comes, I'm pretty sure you've seen what to do, so you're gonna not get lost. Let's click there again. This time around, let's go with announcement. Okay, so this is the most recent announcement where they said the CTO tokens airdrop has concluded. A big thank you to everyone who participated. Wallet submission details. So this is where you get all the announcements, all the updates about the projects that you're mining. You have to check them out from here. Let's go back. We click there again. We check out the quests which are there. Join airdrop, all these. My hash, that's the mining speed. Let's complete this one. Okay, so that one is all about inviting people to Satoshi so that they join it and they begin to make money together. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay tuned.